Welcome to the world of precision engineering and cutting-edge automotive technology. Today, we're taking you inside the Isuzu factory, where vehicles are brought to life with incredible craftsmanship. Buckle up as we take a step-by-step journey through the assembly of an Isuzu vehicle, frame and chassis assembly. Every great vehicle starts with a solid foundation. Here at the Isuzu factory, the frame and chassis take center stage as the first step. Built for strength and durability, these components are carefully pieced together, using advanced machinery and skilled technicians to ensure a robust base that will withstand the toughest terrains. The cab, or the heart of the vehicle's design, comes to life next. In this stage, precision welding connects multiple steel panels into a single cohesive unit. Robotic arms handle the heavy lifting, while technicians inspect every weld to maintain the highest safety and quality standards. Now, it's time for a splash of color. The freshly welded cabs enter the paint shop, where they are treated to a multi-layer painting process. This not only gives the vehicle its signature look, but also protects it from corrosion and environmental damage. Every coat is applied with precision, ensuring a flawless, glossy finish. With the cab painted and polished, it's time to add the details. Skilled hands and automated systems work together to install essential components like dashboards, seats, and electronic systems. Each part is carefully aligned and secured, ensuring comfort and functionality for the driver. Next comes one of the most exciting moments in the assembly process, the marriage of the cab and chassis. With the help of heavy-duty cranes and precise alignment tools, the cab is gently lowered onto the chassis and securely bolted into place, bringing us closer to a fully functional vehicle. The final assembly stage is all about the details. This is where wheels are installed, lights are connected. Every inch of the vehicle is inspected to ensure it meets the brand's quality standards. Before an Isuzu vehicle hits the road, it undergoes rigorous testing. From engine performance to safety systems, every feature is put to the test. This ensures that the vehicle delivers the reliability and performance that Isuzu is known for worldwide. And there you have it, a journey from raw materials to a ready-to-drive vehicle. The dedication, precision, and passion of the Isuzu team shine through every step of the process. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating tour of the Isuzu Assembly Factory. Until next time, Drive safe and stay curious.